In the midst of our motorhome renovation process, along came Hurricane Dorian. Fortunately, most of our construction work had already been completed on the interior, so the painting of the walls, the cabinets were all completed, as well as the flooring and some accent pieces. And 2 weeks ago, our reclining love seat arrived on site, and so we were able to get that in before the hurricane came. Anyway, with Hurricane Dorian looming, we decided that we needed to get Maria into a safe place. So we decided that we wanted to stay outside of the rain bands. If we're going to be escaping from the hurricane, we might as well go to a place that's going to be sunny and have nice weather. So we took to the Panhandle and used Campendium in order to find our campsite. We chose Holiday Campground. It is just outside of a town called Pansania, which is right outside of Tallahassee, and we are staying right on the Ochlockonee Bay, which you can see right behind me. Due to it being Labor Day weekend, online reservations were going to be sketchy, so I decided to go ahead and call the front office. I talked to a woman named Jean. She was very friendly and incredibly accommodating. There was only one site left if we wanted to arrive on Sunday, which is the day before Labor Day. Understandably so, that an RV park would be packed up for Labor Day weekend. So we got the prime spot. This is Lot 28. The lots at Holiday Campground are going for $41 to $48 a night. It all depends on the size of your rig, the type of rig, and of course the location of your lot. There's lots along the back that don't have the bay view that are going to be your least expensive. And then you have the lots along the bay, of course, that are going to be your most expensive. This lot, Lot 28, is the most expensive spot, but it's because the view is absolutely amazing from this particular angle. Also, if you're going to come during the holiday rates go up $10 per night during holiday times, and they do offer monthly and yearly rates if you are looking for that. Lot 28, not only is it spectacularly beautiful view, but you have this extra space behind you. You could easily set up a tent if you wanted to, and there's a really nice breeze. You're surrounded by pine trees that provide some shading all throughout the park. And this spot has been really great. Also, each of the lots that are along the bay have a fire pit close to the beach. It is a smaller campground, which we love. It offers 63 lots throughout the campground. They offer cable and Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi was kind of hit or miss Labor Day, but after the park kind of vacated after the holiday, the internet access improved greatly. Holiday Campground also offers a swimming pool, recreation center with foosball and board games, a pavilion for gatherings and grilling, playground for the kids, shuffleboard, volleyball, horseshoes, laundry facility, and clean bathrooms with hot showers. Being along the bay, it also offers fishing and a fish cleaning station. There's also a boat ramp available. Each campsite includes a picnic table, and as I mentioned earlier, those along the waterfront include fire pits near the beach. They do advertise a 200-foot pier, which was clearly demolished during Hurricane Matthew last year in 2018. But as we were here visiting, we were watching the guys working on that pier. So if you book your stay in a month from now, that pier will be in place for sure. The sunsets are incredible here. Being near the Gulf of Mexico allows for some amazing sunsets, and our location did not fail to provide them. We did not bring a tow vehicle, so we weren't able to venture out and check out everything that the area has to offer. But the area does have to offer a lot of cool stuff. So I'm going to run down a list for you. There's a fort, museum, lighthouse, Apalachicola National Forest and Wildlife Refuge. The Wakulla Springs, they boast that they are the world's deepest spring. pretty interesting. There's golfing, there's boating. Boating, that means that there's crabbing and oystering and fishing. And then, of course, there's lots of restaurants to choose from. This site actually has a restaurant right across the street called Angelo & Sons Seafood Restaurant. Unfortunately, they are closed on Mondays and Tuesdays. Take note. Before we sign off on this video, I want to take you on a tour of our motorhome, and you can see our evacuation setup. There's still a lot of work that needs to be done, but we've accomplished so much. And I'll show you a few of my favorite gadgets so far. As you can see, a bulk of the work has already been completed, and we are loving our new reclining love seat. And it looks like Zoe is enjoying it right now as well. Even though she has her own chair, she seems to enjoy the love seat more, and understandably so. Over here is where we're stashing all of our equipment, camera gear. So cameras, lenses, drone, computer stuff, you know, all that stuff goes over there when we are at rest. Otherwise, it will get stashed in the bedroom in backpacks. And the shower is where we stash our laundry basket, reusable bags, and that jug of water, which I will show you what that's for in a little bit. And we're going to come passing through the bathroom. And I want to give a shout out to Wilderness RV Mattress for our Olympic queen size mattress. It is super comfortable. We are very pleased with our purchase. And over here in the little nook, we've got a small TV that we brought with us, which has been handy dandy with the cable that Holiday Campground offers. I still need to take care of that window. Don't mind that. All right, and coming back through, you're going to notice this. This is a toilet tattoo. My husband absolutely hates it. I do too, but I'm leaving it until I find something better. All right, and coming through in the kitchen. So I wanted to introduce you to a few of my favorite gadgets. So one of my favorite gadgets is this Berkey. That was Zoe's lizard. Okay, is this Berkey water filtration system. I fill up the water jug, pour that in here, probably on average every other day. But I am massively in love with my ice maker. I cannot even say enough. My water doesn't require ice, but my evening cocktails certainly do. And then, of course, who doesn't absolutely love their Instapot? Everybody loves their Instapot. Well, that wraps it up here for us here at Legally Homeless. I hope you found this video useful and mildly entertaining. Till next time, bye. And as of 2 weeks ago, we were okay. And it looking like it was going to maintain where it was going to hit, if you will, as you can predict. Yeah. See, then I'm rolling. Okay. Campendium is really how we found the campsite that we selected, which is, where are we? Holiday Campground. Okay. It is a smaller campground, which we love. It offers 60, that sounded funny. It offers cable and what? Oh, I hit the lapel. I'm sorry. Have we been recording? Yeah. Okay. Sorry. It offers 63 lots throughout the, better back up a bit. With the backdrop of the Gulf, no, being so close to the Gulf, you get amazing views. The sunsets are incredible here. A lighthouse, damn it. Okay. Apalachicola National Forest. I just hit my lapel. Okay. We're not able to go out and venture. Overall, we really enjoyed our stay at Holiday Campground. Overall, we really enjoyed our stay at Holiday Campground under. Okay. Before we sign off, I want to take you a tour of our motorhome. Before we sign off on this video, I want to take you on